Hey friends, if arrow keys are not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down, select keyboard. Make sure all these three switches are off. This is important. Now once this is sorted, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. If this doesn't help, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar and then go to device manager. Expand the list for keyboards. Right click on each and every one of them and then update it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.